From Vintage Makeovers with Melanie, this is an anthropology-inspired table runner. I'm going to grab our two tails and we're going to pull them through. So, and you got it at halfway, okay? Take your first 4 ropes. You're going to make a 4. This is your 4. This last one on the side goes over that. It goes under, back, and through the 4. And you pull it up. Now you do that with the other side. You make your 4. This one goes over, under, and through. So that is your square knot. Just like that. And do that all the way across. Leaving your outside 2 out, we're going to go ahead and do 2 square knots on this row all the way across. Go ahead and grab your outside 2 and let's do a square knot on either end. We're going to hook on another piece of rope here and we're going to do a half hitch all the way across. So for this half hitch, what you want to do is take your rope, make a U, pull it up, and then reach back and pull it through the other side. I found it a little bit tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty routine. So you just make that U, and then you'll grab it and pull it from underneath and pull it through. You're going to do that twice with each rope all the way across. If you do 1/2 of a square knot, over and over again, it makes a natural twist in the rope. So I'm going to go ahead and put 6 of those right here and do that again all the way across. To make this pretty portion, which is kind of the meat of our runner, you just do square knots all the way across, just 1, 1, 1, and then alternate, go back. Do as many rows as you want. So now we're going to do that half hitch on the diagonal. All right, so you just want to take your outside rope, and that's going to be your leading rope, and you are going to kind of hold it at a diagonal. I kind of pulled it out. You can see where halfway is there, so I know where I'm going. And just keep doing that with each rope twice, all the way down. And let's do the other side. So in this row, we have 2 square knots all the way across. And this row has 1 square knot. We're back to our half a square knot, which will give us that twist. So we are tied back on, and we're going to go ahead and do that half hitch again, going all the way back the other way this time. And let's finish this puppy off with as many square knots as you want, to the length that you want for the runner size that you want. If you lay your project down and tape it, you can get that nice V at the end when you cut it. It's a lot easier that way. Thank you guys for watching. This is Melanie from Vintage Makeovers with Melanie, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks.